a beautiful ice cream truck. Follow my every steps and learn easy way to draw. I completed to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful ice cream truck. First one I'm using the brown color. This is deep brown color. Now I'm using the deep pink color. This is called red color. And this is yellow color. Here I am using the light blue color. Called light green color. I am again using here light blue color. And now I am using again the yellow color. Let's use the deep pink color. And the last color I am using, this is purple color. Purple color is also called violet color. Wow, the ice cream truck is looking so beautiful. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.